In this video we shall learn something which is very important. Now, how to find the square root of a number. So we can find the square root of number if it is a perfect square. For example, if I have numbers like 4, 9, 25, etc. So they are all perfect squares, so we can find the square root of these numbers very easily. But how do I find the square root of a non-perfect square number? For example, if I need to find the square root of 7, or if I need to find square root of 11 and so on, how do I find that? Is there an easy way by which we can find the square root of such numbers? Yes, there is an easy method, without using your calculator of course, because in most of the examinations you cannot use your calculator. So without using your calculator, by remembering a simple expression, we can find the square root of such non-perfect square root numbers. Okay, so now what is that formula? So I will write a simple expression and you just have to remember this simple expression, and we can find the root of any number very easily within seconds. So now I write x plus or minus y equal to, I have root x plus or minus y divided by 2 root x. So any number is written as x plus or minus y. Now if I have x plus y, then here it becomes plus, and if I have x minus y, so here it becomes minus. Okay, so this is a very simple technique to find the square root. So let's try to find the square root of 7. Root 7. Now what is x? So x is a perfect square number which is closest to 7. So what is the number? A perfect square number which is closest to 7, it is 9. And how do I get 7? 9 minus 2. So I use this expression. So x is always a perfect square. So we need to choose a number, a perfect square, which is closest to the given number. So 9 is closest to 7, so I have 9 minus. So here how do I apply? I apply this expression because I have a minus side here. So root x is 3 minus y is 2. So this is x and this is y. So y is 2 divided by twice the root of this, because this is a perfect square. So I know that root 9 is 3 into 3. So I have 3 minus 1 by 3. So what do I get? I get 8 by 3. Okay, so what is 8 by 3? It is 2.67. Okay, so you can check using your calculators. Root 7 is approximately equal to 2.67. So let's take another example. So let me try to find root 10. So root 10 can be written as, so choose a perfect square. So which is closest to 10? I have 9 plus 1 the whole root. So what is x? This is x and this is y. So I use this expression. So root x is 3 plus y is 1 divided by 2 into 3. So I have 3 plus 1 by 6. So what is 3 plus 1 by 6? So I get 19 by 6. So I get 3.16. So you can check using your calculators that root 10 is approximately equal to 3.16. Right? So now let us perform root 13. Right? Now root 13 can be expressed in two ways. So I can write root 13 as 9 plus 4. I also can write root 13 as 16 minus 3. Okay, so of course I find that the number 16 is closest to 13, but I can use both of them. I would get similar answers. Okay, so now let me use this expression. So here x is 9 and y is 4. So what do I have? I have root x, which is 3, plus y is 4 divided by twice this number, which is 6. So I get 3 plus 2 by 3. So what is 3 plus 2 by 3? So this is 11 by 3, right? So I get 3.667, right? 3.667. Now let me use this expression. So here I have a minus sign, so I get a minus sign here. So root x is 4 minus 3 into twice this number, 8. Okay, so that's very simple. So you have 8 4s are 32 minus 3 is 29 by 8. So again I get 3.62. Right? So 3.6 is approximately the answer what I get for root 13. So remember, when you do manual calculations, you will not get a perfect answer, but the decimal digit up to 1 or 2 places would be correct. Okay, and moreover you are trying to find the root of a given number without using a calculator. So therefore you will get answers which are almost the same, right? So you get 3.6 here, you get 3.6 here. So let's take a bigger number. So how do I find root 47? So now I choose a number, perfect square, which is closest to 47, which is 49. So 49 minus 2. So x is 49, y is 2. So now I use this expression, root x is, of course, 7 minus 2 into twice this, 14. So I get 7 minus 1 by 7. Right? So therefore, what do I get? So this is 48 by 7. So I get the value as 6.857. Right? So make sure that you check using your calculator. You will get a value which is very close to this. So you get 6.85. So now let me find the root of 108. So I've taken a bigger number. So again, find a perfect square which is very close to 108. So of course it is 100 plus 8. So I use this expression, root x, which is 10, plus y is 8 divided by twice this number, which is 20. Okay, so now 4 2s are, 4 5s are. Okay, so this is 10 plus 2 by 5, so it is 10.4. So if you check using your calculator, you will get 10.392, etc. So it's almost close to 10.4. So in this way you can find the square root of any given number, right? If it is a perfect square, of course, it's very easy for us to find the square root. We would know the square root, in fact. But if I have any other number, so using this expression you can find a non-perfect square root very easily within seconds without using your calculator, and this would be very helpful for your examinations, for your entrance examinations, and for all other examinations where calculators are not allowed. Okay, so I hope you have found this very interesting and very informative. Make sure that you check these numbers, take other numbers, take bigger numbers, and also calculate using this method, and you can also verify using your calculators. Okay, so thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and press the bell icon to get notifications of further uploads.